channel Srishti. So here we are going to study integers continuation. Last class we had discussed what is integers, what is positive integers, what is negative integers, and we had drawn a number line and how the number line can be represented. We had discussed in the last class, and also we had discussed some examples of positive and negative numbers, right? So next we are going to study the topic different operations of integers. So we know that there are four basic operations in mathematics: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So for integers also there are four basic operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So we are discussing addition of integers. I had mentioned that there are three types of addition of integers because we have positive numbers and negative numbers. So first we are doing the addition of positive integers. That means only positive numbers are added together. And in second criteria, second type, addition of negative integers. Here we are adding negative numbers only. So in this type we will discuss addition of negative integers. And in the last type, different signs. That means we are adding both positive numbers and negative numbers. That means mixed form. Okay. So this is only positive numbers addition, negative numbers addition, and the last one is both positive and negative numbers addition. So here we discuss first one, addition of positive integers. Let's discuss addition of positive integers or positive numbers. So let's go through some examples. So for example, here I am writing two positive numbers. This is plus 5 and I am writing plus 3. I am going to do addition. So here the operand is plus. Operand is plus. That means it is addition. Here we are adding plus 5 and plus 3. So these two are positive numbers. What you have to do? You have to simply add. What is 5 plus 3? That is 8. Isn't it? So we got the answer 8. Since it is a positive number, you have to mention plus sign. Understood? So positive numbers addition means our normal addition. You can just add the numbers and you have to indicate the plus sign. So let's go through another example. Example 2. We will write 11 plus 12. Okay. Both are positive numbers. Plus 11 and plus 12. I am going to add them. So what is the answer? 11 plus 12 is 23, right? So the answer is positive integer. So you have to mention plus sign. Clear? So one more. We can go through two more examples. Next, 100 plus 100 plus 205. So both are positive numbers. You have to check the sign of the numbers. Plus 100 and plus 205. You have to do addition. How you understood this is addition? Here the operand is plus. So you have to do normal addition. What is 100 plus 205? That is 305. Both are positive numbers. So plus sign. Okay. So the answer is plus 305. So you guys understood that for addition of positive integers, you have to simply add them and you have to indicate the plus sign. Clear? Last example. 515 plus 200. Okay, so I didn't put plus sign. Even though I didn't put plus sign, you have to do normal addition. 515 plus 200 is 715 and the answer is positive, you guys have to put the plus sign. Okay, if simply we are writing 2 plus 3, that also positive integers addition, that is 5. That is plus 5. For to represent it is integer, you have to put the plus sign. Understood? So positive integers addition is very easy, right? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Now let's discuss addition of negative integers. Okay? So we have discussed addition of positive integers. Now we can discuss addition of negative integers. So negative integers, what are negative integers? Minus 2, minus 1, minus 3, minus 25, minus 15. So those numbers which we put minus sign in front of it is a negative number. So we are going to add this negative numbers. Okay. So let's add negative numbers. For example, I am taking 3 numbers. 1, minus 2 and minus 25. Okay, so I took 3 numbers. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 25. Okay, so let's add these 3 negative numbers. How you understood negative? Minus sign are in front of these numbers. Okay, so let's add minus 1. First addition operation you are doing. So you have to put plus sign must. And you have to put a parenthesis. What is parenthesis? This open and closed bracket is known as parenthesis. You have to put parenthesis for negative numbers. Plus minus 2 plus minus 25. So you are adding these 3 negative numbers. Minus 1, minus 2 and minus 25. Okay. So you are adding minus 1, minus 2 and minus 25. So normal addition you have to do. Some of them face difficulty. You can add 25. Normal addition. 25 plus 2 plus 1. What is it? 8 and 2. So the answer is, the answer is 28. But what sign you have to put? Negative sign you have to put because it is negative numbers addition. So whenever you add negative numbers, first you have to add these numbers and final answer you have to put a negative sign. Simple? Right. We can go through next few more examples. Minus 120, minus 20, minus 50. Okay. How you will do this addition for these negative numbers? My question is add minus 120, minus 20, minus 50. How you will do? You have to write down these numbers first. Put in them parentheses. Put the plus sign to separate them. Minus 20 plus minus 50. You can do simple addition. What is 120 plus 20? 140. 140 plus 50? 190. So you have to write the answer 190 and you have to put the sign negative because we had added negative numbers. Right? we had added negative numbers. So negative numbers addition is simple as positive numbers. You have to do the addition. Okay, you have to add these numbers and final answer you have to put the negative sign. Simple, right? Now we are going to discuss addition of different signs of integers. That means you are going to do the addition of positive and the negative numbers. This you have to listen very carefully. Most of the students make a little bit mistake in this portion. Okay, so listen carefully. So I am taking both positive numbers and negative numbers. Okay, so I am taking plus 5 and minus 2. Okay, I am going to add plus 5 and minus 2. Listen. So you have to write down the question again. Plus 5, and for this and what you have to do? You have to put plus sign because you are going to do the addition operation. So plus 5 plus minus 2. If you want to put the parenthesis, you have to put because you have to distinguish these numbers as positive or negative numbers. Clear? So this is plus 5 plus minus 2. So you look, there are both positive and negative number. First you have to do, if there are different sign, what you have to do is subtraction. What you have to do here? Subtraction. What you have to do means 5 minus 2. What is 5 minus 2? 3. Okay. You have to write the answer 3 and you have to check the numbers here. Here is there plus 5 and minus 2. Look which number. You don't want to look about the sign now. Look the numbers here 5 and minus 2. You have to look as 2 here. 5 and 2. Which number is greater? 5 or 2? Which is greater? 5 is greater than 2. So what is the symbol of 5? That is plus. So you have to put the sign plus for the answer. Understood? So what you have to do is, first you have to do subtraction for different numbers, addition, and you have to check the greatest number here. Put the symbol of greatest number. If it is negative, you have to put negative symbol for the answer. If the number is greater is negative. Okay. So let's discuss one more example. Then you will get very clear. Next is minus 100 and plus 21. Okay. Here I got two numbers. One is negative number minus 100 and the another one is plus 21. What you have to do? You have to write again the question minus 100 and this and will change as plus because you are going to add this. Addition operation is doing. Next plus 21. What you have to do first? You have to subtract 100 and 21 because these two are different signs, not same signs. Okay. So different signs came. So you have to subtract. What is 100 minus 21? 79. The answer is 79. Then which symbol you put? Plus or minus. So here we have to check 100 or 21 is greater. Yes, you know that 100 is greater. And which symbol is for 100? Minus. And for 21 is plus. So you know the greatest number is 100. 100 sign is minus. So the answer is minus 79. Clear? Here the number 100 is greater than 21. 100 symbol is negative sign. So the answer will automatically becomes negative. So negative and positive numbers when you are adding, you have to do subtraction. Check the greatest number in that. Put the symbol of greatest number for the answer. Clear? Let's do a few more examples. minus 50 and plus 50? What is the answer for minus 50 and plus 50? So you have to do, first write down the question minus 50, and for and you have to change as plus sign because you are doing addition, and next plus 50. First step you have to do is subtraction. What you will do? 50 minus 50 plus 50 minus 50. What is the answer? 0. What is the answer? 0. Here, my dear students, check. You have to by heart that 0 is a number which is not positive and negative number. Okay. So 0 is not a positive number nor a negative number. Okay. Okay. Understood? So 0 is the only number which does not belong to the positive category or negative category. Clear? So you don't want to put any symbol for the answer 0, plus or minus. No need of that. You can simply write 0. So the answer for plus 50 plus minus 50 is 0. Clear? Okay. Next example. This is the last example. 1000 and 2000. So you have to copy down the question again and change the operand, and here minus 1000. Here you are going to do addition. So put plus, and the next number is 2000. Here also you got two numbers, negative number and positive number. First step you have to do subtraction. What is 1000 minus 2000? You can't do. You have to do the subtraction from the biggest number, that is 2000 minus 1000 you have to do. The answer is 1000, and check which number is greater here, 2000 or 1000. Definitely it is 2000. So what is the symbol for 2000? Here 2000 is not scribed any symbols. That means it is positive. That means it is positive. So 2000 is plus category, positive number. So you have to put the sign plus here. That means minus 1000 plus 2000 is plus 1000.